every minute. It's only you, baby, 24/7. Woke up to your message, smile before the sun. One little good morning and my day is already won. Your voice in my headphones feels like summer breeze. Every little thing you do puts my heart at ease. Coffee tastes sweeter when I think about your laugh. Even boring rainy days feel like photographs. You turn my ordinary into something beautiful. Now every beat of my chest is singing I love you, I do. No matter where I go, you're always on my mind, like a favorite song that I keep on replay all the time. Seconds turn to hours, hours turn to days, but my feelings for you never fade. They only raise. You're my 24/7, every second, every breath. You're the only one I want from now till my last step. Through the day, through the night, in my dreams, in my way. My heart only called your name. No matter what it takes. 24/7 you, 24/7 true. Baby, I'm falling deeper, deeper into you. No one else can take your place. This love is overdue. It's 24/7. Only you. Yeah, from Monday blues to Friday lights, you color every scene. You're the calm in my chaos, my favorite in between. Late night talks till 3 a.m. sharing silly dreams. You make the future look brighter than it's ever been. No filter needed, you love me as I am. That's why I wanna hold your hand and never let go again. Every I miss you hits different when it's from your lips. You're my safe place, my happy place, my endless eclipse.